Alright, I'm going to guess Onelisa rhymes with Mona Lisa. I have no idea. I'm just guessing at that. If I butchered that, I apologize. It's the best I could come up with reading it. I'm assuming it's Onelisa. I'm from Kentucky, forgive me. Here we have your 24 scale 2015 Chevy Tahoe, decaled as a Texas State Highway Patrol vehicle. Turned out really cool. Of course, this one, you can't get them in black anymore. You can every now and then, but somebody's either already painted them or you pay a premium for them. So this one started out its little life as a silver one and ended up black and white to match the Texas trooper cars. Turned out really cool. I've always loved the looks of them. I was down in Texas about a month ago, and just every time I'd see one of the Chargers or anything, I just thought they were so cool looking. But anyway, this decal just as you wish. You can see the hood does still open on this. Of course, the front doors open as well. Rear doors never did, so I can't show that because they don't open. License plates front and rear. Also, want to add the push bumper that comes with those on there. I know that some of the trucks have them, some don't. But there are two small holes there in the bottom of the bumper that just will snap in. I'll get that taken care of. I'll just leave it off for now, but it'll be in the package with it. Also, the package is small. That these fit in the factory box, so I can't put antennas on the roof. I'll include some in a little Ziploc bag, and the recipient can add those antennas to it once it arrives. A little bit of probably I would recommend like an Elmer's glue, something not very strong or not abrasive, but anyway, a weaker glue. I wouldn't use super glue because it might mess up the paint or something, and then if the antenna comes off, it'll pull the paint with it. So something simple though, super glue or something that, or I'm sorry, Elmer's craft glue or something, that even a glue stick, anything to hold it on there fairly well. They're little small antennas. But I'll include some of those in a little bag so he can attach those, or they can be attached once you receive it. Also, I didn't mention, I'll leave this video as unlisted too, so it won't show up on YouTube. You can't search and find it. So that's again, not to ruin any surprises. Now that I said your name, I mean, probably would give it away. Rear hatch does open. Battery's located inside there. Just a 9-volt battery. I just kind of set it in there. It will set flat. If you want to push it down, there we go. It will set flat, and it is tight, but it will fit in there. I will not ship the battery installed in here. Reason being because it may come loose, and if it comes loose, it's going to bang around. It may knock out a window or break a wire or something of that nature. So I'll leave the battery out, but include a brand new one in there when I ship it. So just letting you know that up front. You may want to get it out of the package and install the battery or something beforehand. Just a little warning there. I can't honestly remember because it took a while to get this finished up with the decals. I can't remember what all lighting we did. I know there's some lighting on the rear, visor, headlights, taillights. I think we did some interior lighting. I can't remember. Laptop, radio equipment. I did some work on the radio equipment. It turned out really well. So let's go ahead and I'll quit talking, which will be to the pleasure of everyone probably watching the video. Switches here on the bottom, right here in the spare tire, is your main power switch. It'll turn all the lighting and everything on. And over here, this button here is for your siren, right here, and that will cycle the siren. Yeah, okay. I got lost there for a second. Let's go ahead and turn the switch on. And you have flashing headlights, red and blue strobe, and the fog lights. Those are triple strobe. Instead of just a single flash. My camera doesn't pick it up because they're pretty quick strobes. Each time you see those flash there, it's actually strobing 3 times. Red and blue strobe light bar. Again, in the interior, you can see a little work light along with all the police equipment inside there in the console. And did some highlighting of those, added decals, paint, whatnot, to liven that up a little bit. Pull that door open a little bit, might be able to see it better. In the rear, I have your flashing taillights, and then again 2 reds and 2 blues, which again are on triple strobe flash. Turned on around, of course, decals and everything. You see those. Like I said, it turned out really well. I think I mentioned the flashing headlights. The siren, you press this one time here, turns it on, and it goes through a few different sounds. press it. Oh, I gotta press it. Gotta lock into the next tone. So then you have the individual tones where you can run it. That very first press will start it up in like a pursuit tone or a mode where it actually runs through all of the different siren sounds. So there you have it. Like I said, it looks really good. I'll get all kinds of comments on it probably because people love these Texas State Trooper cars. And so I'll probably get 2 or 3 builds off of this one because people are going to be asking about them. So I appreciate it. Sorry it took so long. Again, it was our Christmas present, so it doesn't really matter the length of time. As long as you have it for Christmas, and you will have it. So again, I appreciate the order and working with me on getting the details ironed out quickly. And again, it's finished up. Looks great. Antennas will be in there. A new battery will be in there, but they will not be on the vehicle. So when you open that up, you might want to look for those before you just toss things out and be like, oh crap, I threw the antennas away. So there you have it. Like I said, I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas.